Hello, I'm Peter Norman with IKONICS Imaging. I want to introduce you to our CrystalBlast X3 extended cabinet. This machine is just like the CrystalBlast Elite 3.0, but it's extended. We're known for the cleanliness of our cabinets, and at a lot of events that we go to, customers ask us, what if I get a large piece? How do I do that in addition to the small pieces? Well, this is the solution. Our extended has the back opening panel with a slide gate, so you can do a large shower door in this machine without the mess of blasting outside of a cabinet. To get a large panel in here, it's as easy as unbolting the back. Inside the cabinet, we have our white poly. You take 2 bolts off, lift the panel out. So now we're ready to load a large piece of glass. It's as easy as sliding your panel through here, and the suction that you get from the cabinet will hold the glass. The support bracket easily adjusts back and forth. You get it to the area you want and just use 2 bolts to tighten. So after you sandblast a section of glass, you just unbolt, and then tighten, and you're ready to go. One person can sandblast large pieces of glass. In addition to our back opening with the CrystalBlast Elite X3 extended cabinet, it comes standard with our CleanFlow technology, which includes our patented Cyclone 240 separator, which separates abrasive media as fine as 240 mesh particles. We also have our full foot treadle, which makes it a lot easier when you're sandblasting. Instead of using a single foot pedal, you can step anywhere on the treadle, and the height is adjustable, so you can adjust it to whatever height you want to be at if you're seated at the cabinet while blasting. We have our 110 coil cartridge filter, which keeps it extremely clean in the cabinet, with 700 CFM for the exhaust blower and a 12-inch impeller. That creates the reverse suction in the cabinet, which keeps it extremely clean. To clean the filter, we have pneumatic vibration. At the pull of a switch, you can clean the filter. It takes 2 minutes. Just do that once or twice a day, depending on how often you're sandblasting. If you do a lot of sandblasting, you're eventually going to need to remove the filter and replace it. It's as easy as unbolting the front, opening the door, loosening the knob, lowering the filter, taking it out, put the new filter in, and you're ready to go. The extended cabinet has LED lighting, which makes it extremely easy to see when you're sandblasting. The extended also has an air blow-off gun, so if you're putting parts inside the front of the cabinet or through the door and you have grit on them, you can easily blow off the grit, blow off your hands, and pull the parts out clean. The CrystalBlast Elite X3 extended cabinet also utilizes reinforced urethane hoses, which are much lighter than standard sandblast hoses. So when you're doing a large job, you're gonna have much less hand fatigue because the hose is a lot lighter. To remove the nozzle, we have our easy quick disconnect where you just push and pull, take the nozzle off, and put your new nozzle on. The CrystalBlast Elite X3 extended cabinet allows you to do any sandblast size possible. You can do small parts through the front, medium parts through the door, large parts through the back of the cabinet. So now you never have to say no to a sandblasting job.